Top 5 Best Wall Clock. The 5 best wall clock in present time. We are going to check out 5 best wall clock quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I try to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, Bernhard Products Black Wall Clock Silent Non-Ticking, 10-inch quality quartz battery, price, $13.97. Get fast, free shipping. Color black, material plastic, operation mode electrical, item dimensions LXWXH 10.25x 10.25x 1.75 inches, shape round, item weight 0.6 pounds, are batteries included? No. Number of batteries 1AA batteries required. Mounting type wall mount, brand Bernhard Products, 10-inch clock. Large black bold numbers against white face creates easy viewing. Precise quartz movements guarantee accurate time. Number 2, Foxtop Modern Wall Clock 12-inch non-ticking rose gold wall clock silent battery operated round quartz clock, price, $15.99. Get fast, free shipping. Color rose gold, material plastic, operation mode electrical, item dimensions LXWXH 11.81x 11.81x 1.57 inches, shape round, item weight 1.32 pounds, are batteries included? No. Number of batteries 1AA batteries required. Mounting type wall mount, brand Foxtop, silent non-ticking wall clock, precise quartz sweep movement guarantees accurate time and absolutely silent environment. Number 3, -12-inch non-ticking wall clock silent battery operated round wall clock, price, $16.99. Get fast, free shipping. Color gray, material plastic, operation mode electrical, item dimensions LXWXH 11.81x 11.81x 1.77 inches, shape round, item weight 600 grams, are batteries included? No. Number of batteries 1AA batteries required. Mounting type wall mount, brand Joan Paris, completely silent, precise quartz sweep movement guarantees accurate time and absolutely silent environment, suitable for bedroom, kitchen, meeting room and any other places which needs a silent environment. Number 4, Echo Wall Clock, see timers at a glance, requires compatible Echo device, price, $29.99 and free returns. Echo Wall Clock helps you stay organized and on time. Easy to read analog clock shows the time of day. Digital 60 LED display shows one, or multiple, timers set through a paired Echo device. Syncs time to a paired Echo device, including automatic adjustments for daylight saving time. Number 5, First Time & Company. Shiplap Farmhouse Wall Clock, American crafted, white, price, $33.84 and free returns. Color white, black, material wood, operation mode electrical, item dimensions LXWXH 2x 18x 18 inches, shape round, item weight 2.7 pounds, are batteries included? No. Number of batteries 1AA batteries required. Mounting type wall mount, brand First Time & Company. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.